Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech TV. In this video, we are going to learn how to change password of your GoodBudget account. First of all, find and open GoodBudget application on your device. Make sure that you are logged in to your account. After that, click on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, click on Manage Household option. After that, click on Manage All Preferences. You will be redirected to a browser. Scroll down a little bit until you see Change Your Password option. Now type in your current password on this field here and type in the new password on this field here. After that, scroll down a little bit until you see a Save button. Click on it. So that is how you can change your password of GoodBudget account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.